constantly feels oily, greasy or prone to breakouts, then you might be using the wrong things. Most people think that the key to controlling oily skin is to remove excess oil as much as possible, using oil-free cleansers, mattifying toners and clay masks. But what if I told you that these are the things that is making your skin even more worse? The reality is, oily skin doesn't always mean too much oil. It often means dehydration. When the skin lacks moisture, it starts overproducing oil to compensate, leading to an endless cycle of oiliness, breakouts and dullness. So what's really causing your skin problem? The skin barrier is the most overlooked factor in skincare. Think of it as a shield that locks in moisture and keeps out pollution, bacteria and irritants. When this barrier is strong, the skin stays balanced, hydrated and protected. But when it's weakened due to over-cleansing, skipping moisturizers or using too many strong exfoliants, the skin starts to lose moisture too quickly. This can cause variety of issues. Excess oil production because your skin is trying to compensate for the lost hydration. Breakouts and clogged pores as your skin becomes irritated and starts to overproduce sebum. Redness and sensitivity since a damaged barrier makes the skin more prone to irritation. Dull and tired looking skin because hydration is essential for healthy glowing skin. So instead of trying to remove oil, the key is to restore and strengthen the skin barrier. This helps the skin to naturally regulate oil production, retain hydration and stay balanced without needing harsh products. The best way to repair skin barrier is by using ingredients that repair and protects it. Two of the most effective ingredients for this are chia seed and ceramides. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which deeply nourishes and hydrates the skin. They also contain antioxidants, which protects the skin from environmental stress and keeps the skin barrier strong. They help prevent moisture loss, protect against external damage, and keeps the skin smooth, plump and soft. Using products with these ingredients can restore hydration, prevent excess oil production, and improve overall skin health. That's why choosing the right skincare products is so important. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing. But many face washes are too harsh, stripping the skin of its natural moisture. A good cleanser should remove oil, dirt and impurities without disrupting the skin barrier. The Mamaearth Chia Face Wash is formulated with chia seeds and ceramides, which cleanses while maintaining hydration. Unlike strong foaming face washes that makes the skin feeling tight and squishy, this one helps retain moisture. Applying a small amount, massaging it gently and rinsing with lukewarm water keeps the skin clean without over drying. After cleansing, the skin should feel soft and comfortable, not tight or irritated. Now, many people with oily skin thinks they don't need moisturizer. Skipping moisturizer can make the skin produce even more oil, making the problem worse. The key is to choose a moisturizer that hydrates without feeling heavy. The Mamaearth Chia Moisturizer contains chia seed and ceramides, which work together to deeply hydrate, repair the barrier, and keeps the oil production under control. Because it's fragrance-free and dermatologically tested, it's suitable for normal to oily skin type. Applying a lightweight moisturizer ensures the skin stays hydrated and balanced. So, by cleansing gently and hydrating properly, the skin starts to balance itself naturally. Instead of constantly battling oiliness, this approach fixes the root cause, dehydration and weakened skin barrier. For those struggling with skincare issues, the focus should be on fixing the skin barrier instead of just controlling oil. Strengthening the skin from within is the key to long skin health and hydration. So use this coupon code to get 20% off on Mamaearth's official website, and you already know that Mamaearth's products are also available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. And now even in offline stores near you. Get your hand on these products. The link is in the description box. Now let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your feedbacks about this routine. Do subscribe my channel and we will meet again in my next video. Bye bye.